Hey YouTube, it's a video of a go-kart. It's been about, let's see here, about 3 years. And first it started as a shortened go-kart. It was short, and then 13-inch extended. Cut the tabs off, and then the axle tabs, and then welded it back on here. My welder. And I once had an engine on it. Here go the tabs. I had bent it off and cut it off. For the back of the engine tabs. The front, I spent it like so many hours on this just to make these damn tabs. It's fine now, I can't even use the engine. And here go the engine over here. It's about like 125 cc. Got it from junkyard for $100, and it's a fucking $100 down the drain. And cause money down the drain is cause this damn piston. Like when I first got it, do some gas down his throat, and as you can see there, pistons fucked up. Excuse me, it's pretty messed up, and yeah, nobody knew the name of this engine, so I had to take it off, throw it to the side. And I was thinking about getting a custom piston, but it would be a waste of money because I ordered a Snowmobile engine, and this came off of a 1980 Ski-Doo Citation, and it's 377 cc's, 2-cylinder, and electric start. So I'm gonna have this on the go-kart. Some go-kart slicks, some tack, maybe a speed odometer, some lights, and yeah, I'm gonna have to make some new engine mounts. And yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace.